Hey guys, and welcome to the very first video of my Go tutorial series. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why Go is an amazing programming language to learn, and then we're going to set everything up so we can write our very first Go program. Before we start, I just want to give you guys some info about this series. So in this series, you'll learn how to code using Go. And I know learning to code can be intimidating, but you don't need to worry because this series is beginner friendly and easy to understand. You aren't required to know a single thing about programming. So if you've never done any coding before, it's completely fine. Guys, trust me, this is the best and only tutorial you need to learn Go. Just follow the videos and you'll learn very quickly. I also wanted to mention that I'm using my MacBook, which has Mac OS. But if you're using a different operating system such as Windows, you can still follow along with zero problems. So what even is Go? Go is a relatively new programming language created by Google. And Go can be used to create many types of software, but it's mainly used for server-side applications. It's been exploding in popularity and there's a massive demand for developers who can code using Go. So now I'm just going to quickly give you 3 reasons Go is an amazing programming language to learn. First of all, code written in Go is easy to understand since Go has a clear syntax. This makes it an easy language to learn, even for beginners. Secondly, Go is insanely fast. One of the main reasons for Go speed is that it's a compiled language. And compiled languages tend to have better performance than interpreted languages such as Python and JavaScript. Lastly, Go has built-in support for concurrency. Concurrency just means that multiple tasks can be done at the same time. And this can lead to a massive increase in a program's performance since it allows resources to be used more efficiently. Alright guys, so now we're going to set everything up so we can start writing our very first Go program. So the first thing we need to do is install an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It might sound complicated, but an IDE is just a program we can write and run our code in. It's basically a text editor for code. So for this series, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code by Microsoft. And VS Code is great since it's free, easy to use, and right now it's actually the second most popular IDE. If you prefer using a different IDE, you can. But I recommend using VS Code since it will make following along easier. So as you guys can see, I'm on the VS Code website right now, and the link to this site is in the description. Once you're on this page, you just want to press this blue download button right here. I actually already have VS Code installed, so I'm not going to. But if you don't have it, pause the video and download it right now. After you download and open VS Code, your screen should look something like this. So now I'm just going to go back to my browser because we still need to install the Go programming language. We can't run code written in Go without installing Go. So as you guys can see, I'm currently on the Go website and the link to this page is in the description. So once you're here, you just want to press this download button. Then you want to go to where it says featured downloads right here and download the latest version of Go for your operating system. I'm using an ARM64 Mac device, so I would just click this one right here, Apple Mac OS ARM64. If you're on Windows, you can click this one right here that says Microsoft Windows. I already have Go installed, so I'm not going to download it, but if you don't have it, just pause the video and install it right now. Alright guys, so now that we have Go installed, let's make sure it's installed correctly. So as you can see, I'm back in VS Code and I'm just going to press view at the top of my screen right here. And then I'm going to go down to where it says terminal and just click there. Now in my terminal, I'm just going to type Go space version, just like this. And then I'm going to hit enter. Some text should come up on your screen like this saying what version of Go you have. If it says something else like unknown command, it means Go isn't installed correctly. Alright guys, we're almost ready to write our very first Go program. We just need to do one last thing, which is download the Go extension for VS Code. The Go extension just makes it a lot easier for us to write code in Go. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the left of our screen and click this icon with the 4 boxes right here. Then in the search bar, we're just going to type in Go and hit enter. Now we just want to click the first result right here that says Go. And it should say it's made by the Go team at Google. Now that we're on the extensions page, you just want to click this install button right here. And after it's finished installing, a pop-up might appear on your screen asking if you want to install Go Please, Golint, or something like that, and you just want to press install all. I know I said that was the last thing we needed to do, but there's actually one more really important thing you need to do, which only takes 5 seconds. I want you to scroll down and press the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Once you're done that, we're ready to start writing code.